Hello lovely people, this is Carrie Brown and the lovely...
I'm here.
Who are you?
I'm Yogi. The basement dweller.
Cellar dweller. We have toys.
We do.
The lovely people at DEISS sent us toys. A premium 5-piece nylon utensil set with a comfortable non-slip handle, an FDA grade and BPA free nylon thing, heat resistant, and yes. Anyway, so heat resistant to 410 degrees F, food safe, dishwasher safe, FDA approved, non-toxic plastic, no BPA. Yay. So, and what's inside? There's a spoon, a spaghetti server, a ladle, a slotted spoon, and a slotted turner. Let's have a look.
Alrighty.
Oh, so 100% FDA grade and bisphenol A free nylon utensils, non-slip, comfortable handle. Long handles are great for reaching into deep pots. Don't scratch your non-stick cookware, stain and odor resistant, withstands up to 410 degrees F. Perfect for mixing, flipping, scraping and baking.
And the reason why it's important to be BPA free is BPA is actually a hormone disruptor. It's actually a chemical estrogen and it can cause problems. So it's really good that they did not put that in. So I got the spatula here, and I like the little divoted handles for anti-slip.
Anti-slip.
It's flexible, but it's still real firm. And I like the little blade that they gave the spatula. So if you're trying to get under something like an egg to flip or a pancake, it'll help slide those things right on there.
Now we've got, so this is the spaghetti, but of course you could use this for all of your zoodles or your... What were those things we had the other day?
They were the kohlrabi noodles.
Kohlrabi noodles.
Which were delicious.
Or actually your long miracle noodles. This would work great for all of that.
With the palmini noodles.
The palmini noodles, this would be great for that. And again, it's got this really grippy non-slip handle. We've got a slotted spoon there.
Yeah, good for draining. There's not a whole lot of space on this spoon, so you're not going to pick up something real big. But let's say you're trying to get something out of some of the larger particulates out of a soup or something like that.
Particulates.
Yes.
Some of the larger particulates.
Yes.
That's such a good word.
Thank you.
Particulates. And this has no slottedness, so you won't be lifting particulates out. You'll be lifting all the things out with this spoon and only the particulates out with this spoon.
And what we
Isn't
have
he
left,
adorable?
we got the ladle.
We got a ladle, which again...
And we've been making a lot of soups lately, so we could definitely use a ladle.
We have been making a lot of soups. So, there we go.
The construction on these is very nice, I gotta say.
Nice.
The rubber on the handle doesn't feel like it's gonna pull off at all or come apart.
They have holes for hanging, for hooks, so you can hang them up. And I think these might even be yogi-proof. And that's quite something.
That's a challenge.
That's a challenge.
That's a challenge.
So there we go. There is your DEISS 5-piece nylon utensil set, which we will be giving them a workout in the kitchen. But there we go. And thank you, DEISS, for sending those along so that we could show them to you. And we will link below in the show notes if you want to go have a closer look at them.
Yes, and thank you, DEISS. All right, everybody, have a great day. I'm running to press the button. Pressing the button. Pressing the button. I'm about to press the button.